Hi, I'm Channing McCorriston, the Container Guy. In this video, we are going to make a mess inside this shipping container. We've got a customer order, we got to line the interior and paint the floor. So prior to doing that, we bought some sweet gender reveal smoke bombs or smoke grenades. We're gonna light one of those things off inside the can and then turn on our AC Infinity T10 exhaust fan and see how fast this thing evacuates all the smoke. So here we are, we're all set up to do the old smoke test. So we have a GoPro and a light set up inside the can. So we're just gonna set this thing off. The T10 fan here, we got it cranked to 10, and so it's humming away. And we're gonna see, look inside and outside. We're gonna show you what this looks like and how much air moves out of this shipping container. Here we go. So you can see here, we're intaking air from this side of the container and exhausting it out here, and it's working really well. It's pumping all this red smoke out of this can. It'll be interesting to see what the footage looks like inside this container, and we'll show you that in a second. I guess, hope you enjoyed our little experiment here. It was fun doing it. If you enjoyed the video, please help us out and give it a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notification. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.